Welcome to ShikshaNest. In this quick video, we'll show you how to apply for a tuition job or learning requirement using a desktop. First, go to shikshanest.com or open the ShikshaNest app on your browser. Click on the Login button at the top right. Choose Login as Tutor and sign in using your Google account or by entering your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your tutor dashboard. Here, browse the list of available requirements. Click on View Details to see more information about any learning requirement you're interested in. On the Requirement Details page, scroll down and click on the Apply for this requirement button. Once you apply, the student's contact details, including phone number and WhatsApp, will be unlocked. You can now contact the student directly and proceed further. That's it. Applying for tuition jobs on ShikshaNest is that simple. Thank you for watching and happy tutoring.